Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. On one of my other videos, somebody asked if I could show how I basically created a feature on this page. Essentially what it is when you select, this is going to be a page similar to Reddit where you're, creating a post and, writing in the details and whatnot. But essentially what's going to happen is I need to select where I'm posting to. So the user needs to click, and when they click, it shows their selection, essentially. And yeah, this is the feature that they were asking for. So let's get right into it. I have a list view right here on the left, and I'm, generating children based off of my API response. Whatever circles that person has joined will be available to them. And right here is where the magic happens. So I have it this conditional, and basically what you want to do is you want to find a way to identify which list item the user is clicking on, right? And the way we do that is through my API, through my endpoint, or actually, let me show you the page state first. So I created this page state that contains the circle's ID. So this is just an identifier, and it's an integer, okay? So when I click into here, basically what I'm telling using the if conditional for is if the circle's ID, if this ID is equal to the actual selected item's ID. So here we have circle's children item, and then the path for that is .id and Xano. So basically, yeah, I'm trying to see if those two match up. And so how do we get them to match up, right? Basically on click, what we're doing is we're updating widget state. And what we're doing is we're updating widget state to basically set the value of this page state variable as the children items ID. Okay, great. And we're also doing a Boolean that's saying it's selected. I'm not sure if I'm actually using that, to be honest. But yeah, so that's how you set it up. And then I added some haptic feedback. So keeping the UX strong in this one. Okay, so I have this also on the shadow color as well, just so it kind of like gives that blue glow to it, and it really gives that user feedback that they've selected it beyond just the color of the background and the text changing. But yeah, essentially when you do that, so, and then I have basically if the circle ID is unset, have it white, else let's have it gray. Okay. And basically what you want to do is you're just going to go over here and create that and then copy the variable and then add it to whatever else, and then paste it wherever else you want for any other things like the text. You can see I have it here, and then you just switch up the colors. And that is essentially how you get that feature working. Yeah, and you can mess around with this. Like I was playing around and had this like as kind of 20% opacity, so it kind of like almost hid. And yeah, you can do lots of cool stuff with this and just mess around with it. This isn't my final design, but this is what I have right now. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you want to see any more UX FlutterFlow tips. Maybe we can make a series out of this. Thanks for watching.